Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OpenTable how to block reservations. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to pause or block online reservations, what you need to do first is head over and open up your OpenTable app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, on the bottom tab you'll be seeing an option that says reservations right here. Simply tap on that. Now here what you need to do is select the reservations that you want to block, then simply tap on the block button. Then select the date and time range you wish to block, and optionally add a note. Then once done, tap on save to confirm. This should block online reservations for the selected time period. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.